Hello everyone, welcome to the second tutorial of Odds Killer. In the previous video, I talked about how you need to place bets on different bookmakers to cover all the outcomes of a game and make money out of it. So the next obvious step is to make an account on all these bookmaker websites. For now, we are supporting 24 bookmakers, so the opportunity can come in any combination of any of these bookmakers, so you need to have account on all of them. So let's take an example of Bet365. Let's go to their website and you will see that you have a join button. Also, these websites always run some kind of offer, so please make a note of that and try to take advantage of it. So when you will click the join button, you will see that you have options to fill in your details. So just fill in your details, so your address, a password and all the other things, and then join it. Now, one of the important thing that you need to take care of is that you need to be a UK citizen to be able to bet on the bookmaker websites in the UK. So these guys are going to contact you and ask your address and your identity. So you just need to send it over email and your account will be active. So please make a note that these three bookmakers are actually betting exchanges. So they will be charging a commission for placing the bets. So Matchbook and Smarkets charge 2% commission and Betfair Exchange charge 5% commission. So always make sure that if your profit is more than the commission charged, then only you should place bets on these three exchanges. For all the other cases, placing the bet is free and you will not be charged any kind of commission. So once you've done that, you need to sign up at Odds Killer and then you can start betting. Happy betting!